Hello and welcome to all my little children. Hope all of you are safe. Are you happy and healthy? I hope you are. Okay, so shall we then do an origami creation just like that, what we did earlier also? Okay, so today also I have brought a lot of creations, but the first thing that we are going to do is an origami crown. See how beautiful it is. It looks like a rainbow, doesn't it? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink are the colors that I have used on this crown. So the children who are in the nursery classes can also make this because it's quite easy to make. Shall we start then? So we need a few pieces of paper. So we need different colors of paper. And depending on the size of the child's head, of your head, you can change the number of papers that you're using. Now, first I'm going to show you how to make part of this crown so that it's easy for you to connect them and make the crown. So what I'm using today is a 15 into 15 centimeter paper. So this design has to come outside when you fold into a triangle like this. Okay, then press it down, then open it up, and now take this corner to the middle. This edge comes and meets the middle line, right? And press it down. Do the same thing on the other side. The upper left edge comes and meets the middle line. It's okay if you can't make it as neat as what I'm doing, but you have to practice so that you can make it as neat as possible. Then this corner here, right, this line, so we are going to fold this so that we get a flap that is triangular in shape, like that. Then open it up again, and this corner goes to the middle here, right, to the middle of that line. And then press it down and then fully fold it again. Now be careful, hold it down, and then this edge goes up to the other edge. So be careful. So with both the hands you have to hold it down and fold it up like that. Now it looks like a boat, doesn't it? But it's no, we are preparing a crown. So make a few like this, right? I have made quite a few like this. So put one of these pieces into the other piece like this and paste it in. And then put it in like that and paste it in again. So using glue, you can paste it. And depending on the size of your head, you can change the amount of paper you use. Now if you want the pieces of the crown to be closer to each other, it depends on your preference. You can make either the crown's pieces come closer or further apart by pasting it according to what you want, right? Then you can put up a little decoration on it. You can draw or paste some beads or stickers, or even the flowers that we make from origami. You can paste all that. And that's how I have made this crown here. Then after putting them together, we have to paste the two free ends together. Now see, it's a smaller version of the crown I showed you earlier. See how it looks. Now we have 2 crowns that we have made quite easily. I know it's not hard, and even for school and even for plays or anything or the other, like even when you're playing at home, you can use a crown and become a king or a queen or a prince or a princess. You can use glittering paper to make it look nice and more beautiful. Now when you're at home, I want you to practice this. Try and make it and do a play. Well, that's all for today, but we'll meet soon. Goodbye.